up guys, it's your boy Sean here for another episode with Caricarz. Dan sebelum kita bermula, macam biasalah, don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe kepada channel kami iaitu Caricarz. Dan untuk episod kali ini, nampaknya ada 1, 2, 3, 4 kereta. Seperti mana yang anda dah tengok episod sebelum ni, di mana kami testing lah untuk kereta Proton tu adalah autonomous emergency braking and also forward collision warning. Dan untuk Perodua pula adalah pre-collision braking and pre-collision warning. Dan untuk episod kali ni, kita berubah sikit sebab we got some feedback saying that our props are not so good, and we are taking all your feedbacks into this episode. We have changed the props. We're going to use a cut-out box of an actual size car, and we're going to test it one more time for you guys. So here we go. Alright guys, sekarang saya berada dalam Perodua Ativa. So we're going to test the pre-collision braking. So the car is currently off right now. You can see my leg is on the brake at the moment, but of course because I haven't started the engine just yet. So the engine is off. We're going to test it at 30 kilometers per hour. Let's push start the engine. Alright, so I can test over here whether the system is off or not. This is the press off. Okay, indicator over here. I'm going to press it to activate it. Okay, so here we go. Everything is on. I'm going to go at 30 kilometers per hour. Let's go. Here we go. Okay, you can see 30 kilometers. Legs off the brake. We are going. Oh! 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 What? It worked! It worked! It worked! It worked! It worked! Let's go check out outside. Let's go check out outside. Oh my goodness! 75 centimeters! It actually stopped way before that, but because it continues to go, I had to press on the brake after it already emergency brake. So yes, the pre-collision warning and braking works for the Perodua Ativa. Let's check out another car. Okay, sekarang saya duduk dalam Perodua Aruz. I'm sitting right now in a Perodua Aruz. We're gonna go again at 30 kilometers per hour. The car is currently off. My seatbelt is in. Let's push start the car. Okay, and I'm just gonna deactivate and activate again the pre-collision braking. So here I'm gonna press and hold. This you can see here, it is off. And we press and hold. Now it is already activated. So here we go, 30 kilometers per hour. Seatbelt is on. Let's go! 30 kilometers. Letting go. And wow! Nicely done! 66 centimeters. Yes, the pre-collision warning works also for the Perodua Aruz. This is amazing. I just can't wait to check out the other cars. Let's go! Okay guys, sekarang saya berada dalam Proton X50 ataupun X50, and this is where we're going to test out the front collision warning dan juga the autonomous emergency braking. Seatbelt dah masuk. Kita push start kereta ni. Okay, so kita akan cuba pada kelajuan 30 km sejam at 30 km per hour. But before that, let's check and make sure that the AEB as well as the FC forward collision warning is working. Let's go over here. Okay, we're going to press this and I'm going to show it to you. Okay, here this is the one that's working. Click on this so you can see AEB enable, FCW is also enabled. So here we go guys. Almost reaching 30, 30, legs off. Whoa. It worked guys, it worked. 30 centimeters. So even though it's close, yes, the forward collision warning worked. The autonomous emergency braking also worked. This is magnificent. This is for the Proton X50. Jom kita cuba kereta yang terakhir pula. Sekarang saya berada dalam kereta terakhir, our last car for today, which is the Proton X70. Again, we are going to try the forward collision warning as well as the autonomous emergency braking. Kita akan cuba lagi sekali dalam lebih kurang 30 km sejam at about 30 km per hour. Let's see whether it can brake in time before hitting that. So here we go. 30, letting go. Stop, 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 stop. Ah! Ini adalah percubaan yang kedua. This is our second try, but this time we're going to go at a lower speed at about 15 km per hour. Okay, 15 km sejam. Okay, kita dah setting semua. Okay, tak apa. Kita buat lagi sekali. Kita tutup kereta. Okay, kita buka kereta. I can still check the system over here. AEB is on. FCW forward collision warning is also on. So here we go, 15 km per hour. Masuk ke drive. Let's go. 20 km per hour. I'm not pressing anything. Okay, it's going now. 19. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Ayo boss, sorry. Aduh, sudah 2 kali sudah kena pukul lah. Ayo, oh my goodness. Guys, it looks like the AEB, the Autonomous Emergency Braking, as well as the forward collision warning did not work for this setting. Well, it could be maybe the props that we use, maybe the speed, maybe there's some other things that could actually affect this thing, but I don't know, something wrong over here. Oh my goodness. How? 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 Settle lah. Alright, dan kita dah cuba dah ke semua kereta ini. Perodua Aruz, Perodua Ativa, Proton X50, X50 memang jadilah Autonomous Emergency Braking untuk Proton. Pre-collision warning, pre-collision braking for the Perodua cars memang berjaya, memang working lah. But just that the X70, Proton X70, there was some, well, it did not function to how it's supposed to be. Okay, kemungkinan besar nombor satu, maybe the props that we use bukanlah kereta yang betul. Yang kedua pula, teknologi yang digunakan, the technology that's used by X70 is slightly older compared to all these 3 cars over here. And number 3 also, what is said that they claim that if it's a moving object, it works better as compared to an object yang tidak bergerak. Kan macam tu. So, but whatever it is, all these systems in place is actually like a backup, supplementary. Kita tidak boleh bergantung 100% kepada sistem ni sebab kita sebagai pemandu, we have to ensure that we drive properly. This is more like assisting you so that you can avoid accidents or even knocking or even damage. Alright? So, but what do you think about the systems of this car? Do you think it really works? Do you think it is good? Yes, definitely something that is good, but what is your options? Or what is your opinions? Write down in the comment section below. Dan paling penting juga, jangan lupa untuk like dan share. Jangan lupa juga untuk subscribe kepada channel kami, which is Caricarz, and we'll see you in our next episode. Bye-bye!